Hey everyone, Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. My name is Mashkur Ali and today we are diving into a super important topic, how to turn off autopay in Klarna. Let's get started. If you are looking for simple and effective ways to stop Klarna from automatically deducting payments, this video is for you. Officially, Klarna does not allow you to turn off autopay until the full price of the purchased item is paid. However, I will walk you through 3 easy alternative methods you can use to manage your payments better. We are telling these methods through a website, the link of which is in the description. If you want detailed information, you can visit the website. Method 1. Make manual payments in advance. The first method is to pay off your installments manually before their due date. This way, Klarna won't have anything left to deduct automatically. Here's how to do it. Open the Klarna app, launch the Klarna app, and go to My Klarna. Click on the All Purchases option to view your pending payments. Select the order. Find the specific order you want to pay manually and click on it. Make the payment. Once you click Pay, Klarna will process your payment instantly and that installment will no longer be deducted automatically. Make sure to check if this feature is available in your area by calling Klarna's customer service before proceeding. Method 2. Contact your bank. If you prefer a more direct approach, you can ask your bank to stop Klarna's automatic payments. Steps. Call your bank and explain that you want to revoke Klarna's authorization to deduct payments automatically. Submit a written request or use your bank's online form if required. As a backup, you can also request a stop payment order. But keep in mind that some banks charge a fee for this service. This method ensures Klarna can't access your account without your permission. Method 3. Pause billing by reporting a problem. Have you returned an item but still see payments being deducted? You can pause billing for that order directly in the Klarna app. Here's how. Open the app and navigate to the payments section. Select the order tied to the returned item. Click Report a Problem and follow the steps to pause billing. This method is perfect if you're returning an item and don't want more payments deducted while Klarna processes the return. So, those are 3 simple ways to turn off autopay on Klarna. Whether you prefer paying manually, working with your bank, or contacting Klarna directly, these methods will help you take control of your payments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. And if you want more tips and tricks related to Cash App, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.